Good morning, everyone. Beautiful, beautiful day. Not too shabby, not too shabby. Pretty sure we're already charged up all the way, but we can go take a look here. It is a little after noon. Quick reminder before we jump into this video. I will be live streaming tonight at 8 p.m. So if you would like to join us for that, that would be good. Alright, let's take a look here. Since it's not, you hear it not running over here, I'm going to say we're at 100% already. That is my guess. Oh yeah, 100%. There she is. Alright. Yeah, I love it when we get to a point where even on a cloudy day, I don't have to worry about I don't have. What's up, little girl? And there's Mama. Yeah. Kali's not super happy about being on the lead. Are you, girl? No, you're not. But you kept running off every day, teaching the puppies bad habits. So she's getting it figured out with. Well, you got yourself twisted up there, girl. Here, let's get. Let's see. And there's that. Yeah. All right. And there's Mr. Tank. What's up, baby? All right. Absolutely gorgeous day, though. Absolutely beautiful. I was going to show you over here. Actually, I'll show you in the back of the truck first. So I broke that all down from over here. So that will go to a dumpster the next time I go out. So there's some straw. A couple. I gotta pick it up a little bit better. Obviously, there's old bags over here. I gotta get cleaned up. So we'll do all that. Actually, I'll do that today when I get done with this video. But all those bags gotta get cleaned up and all that. What do we got here? Actually, that can go for the garden. That will definitely go for the garden. So, but yeah, just a beautiful, beautiful day. Very windy. We'll go over in the pavilion. This is only her second day being on the lead. Yesterday was worse. She's done much better today, though. Be nice, Tank. Hey, Tanky, Tank. Hey, nice. Be nice. He's like, but I'm just real curious. Hey, Tank. No. Here. Leave that kitty alone. Be a good boy. He's very curious, obviously. Oh, it's all falling apart here. Hold on, guys. It actually shouldn't take too long for all those to dry. I figure with the way the wind is blowing, maybe an hour and that'll all be dry. So this is going to be going in so it's 47.5 inches long, and that is gonna go, I'll show you, that is gonna go right over here so that we have light in this area when we're in here. What are you doing there, ma'am, mister? Is there a mouse in there? Huh? You don't see one. I don't see one. Alright. But yeah, it's pretty low-key day here today. Just, like I said, just slowly taking care of certain things and getting things cleaned up. And that one area obviously has got to get cleaned up. But just a nice day. We're still, I think our high today is only going to be mid-60s, but I'll take it. I'm not complaining. I plan on, with this, I'm going to be doing a video with this, and I'm going to probably do that tomorrow, and because I got something else I got to show you as well, which will be part of that whole process. So, but yeah, we'll get that rocking and rolling, and I'll show you that. I think what I'm going to be doing too is a lot of this wood here. The kindling in the back I'll probably keep in the back, but some of this bigger stuff I may restack that outside, because we're getting to the time of year where we're really not going to be using it. So, you know, I may end up pulling it all out. I don't know yet. We'll have to see. But we'll get it cleaned up and, like I said, ready for the warmer weather in here and doing what we got to take care of and all that good stuff. But it's very comfortable in here, so that's a good thing as well. A lot of work got done in here last year. Like I said, I got the 2 more batts insulation there that are going to go underneath on this end, and then we should be good to go, because the other 2 sections are completely done up to here. So from this point all the way over underneath is all insulated now, and then even over here the first 2 things of insulation are in there. So yeah, it should be pretty good. And like I said, this last part is going to be a lot easier because of the simple fact that it's a lot higher, easier to work under this front end. So that'll be really nice. It was very narrow over here and not a whole lot of fun, but we got it done, and that's, you know, that's all that counts. Alright guys, I'm going to jump off. It's kind of just a small update video, getting a few things done, getting a few things squared away. Going to keep doing that, but I will talk to you all later. I hope everybody has a great day. Prepper Nurse 1 out for now.